that girl giant. Make him look hyper for me. Thank you, Slim. You know, do it for gone long time. I'm glad I'm gone. You know so much man me up on the internet. 96. Is who I gonna get me. That is it. You think if me did have do more over here and pop with so much man, I would have blurry now for you. Come talk blatantly say, I'm married, didn't my husband DM. And now you come here, sir. Me I gotta take it over, come my body now. Remember me state all of that. Then me I gotta be true and raw now and say several lies, me want pop it off. Go tree for. So she never look hyper for him. Make him hype, me can't back it. My big brother at ball. I can't back it. Remember, you know, are the fittest survive. When me married, you know, all my stability, me no run joke. You see now I'm a free single and disengage. Ah, man, them I want me take them over internet. But when I realize it's a different thing. Eh?
Well, I'm foot I get kick away the queen, brawling.
Well, so them foot I get kick away. You ever married yet?
Kick away, brawling.
You ever married yet?
You never married yet.
How much kids you get?
You know, 2 me get, so I can go and build.
For what? Coming again, for one baby mother?
2 you me get for 1 baby mother, man.
So that mean me, but that's all I make have baby mother draw. Me no want skin up your baby mother, you know.
This baby mother job, I'm telling man, mama, I want queen badness, you know. Barely me attack, you know.
Yes, I understand. I want queen badness. I understand queen. I understand it's one queen of badness, but put fun and joke aside, even though we're not intimate with their rank around. Me not like stepping a woman around, you know, because I have my own garden. It's what I not like for myself. Regardless, me run joke. More than I know, say you suddenly have a baby mother and are involved and me there hurt her. It's not nice.
What's the man? No. That's what I tell me the realness. We no prank. Remember? Is it me? I just know, say I respect and move on.
But when you did the prank with Mari, you do prank because you're single and you can't back it then.
No, when I do that, 2 years I tell them I'm single for man. That's why she can't even come close to do that woman prank. They may have woman in who could do that close up prank there. You see me? That be problem in my house.
Okay.
That's why you understand now. That be problem. 2 years I tell them I'm single for man. I go and hold it as a G and you know, you don't know a woman come fling upon me too.
Yeah, you get your cocky cool. I understand that. But listen, several lads. Listen what I said to you, darling. You see, Frank said what his joke to you is dead to him. And you see what I not like for myself, I don't preach it.
I really chat, man.
And you see, because I'm sexy, lot of ladies who have body shame, they might feel like said, through me sexy, and through me a queenie, and through me famous, why me do certain things to hurt them. No, I don't want to be that victim. You understand? A girl power Wednesday, I may be real, true, and authentic. May I talk to every man when I talk to on TikTok or Instagram, them say them not have no woman and me them one. I find that weird. You know why I find it weird? Every man will have a woman, a personal woman, them still cheat. Them find way for and breed other girl in another relationship. So me find it weird for a man single for 2 years. I'ma find it weird. Because listen, you know, man have this ego. No matter how you see me beautiful, I'm gonna give a perfect example several hours. What would upon the live and we are all the vibes and the tune I may sing to you say, cocky hard several hours, cocky hard, say me want rock it off, cause you know you're cocky hard. You remember the man in there?
Yeah.
Remember me I go in it and I say me I go blow up on you, but me I give all of the stimulation and I be rude and naughty, you know. And when me say to you, say no, run back something for me. What you drop on me? Queen fat I'm a one, whatever you say. But you call Macadai my name. Yeah. Right? So wait now, baby. Wait then, man. We are reason, you know. We are getting at the nitty-gritty. So I'm saying to you, For example, I just said to you, man in general, 9 out of 10 man have them good wife, them good baby mother, and them good relationship. And when them brethren go road, them still see girl with them want problem, them fall for girl, that girl become them side chick. So you know, we're single for 2 years and get me where you say me sexy. Me in a competition with Amari. Rakita say me know you cocky hard. And me I get a nice vibe out of my mouth. And when you call Macadam my name, so that show you say you cheat for me already.
Nah, man. That's me. I the mind, it just slip there.
Me
I
chat.
don't know what I say.
More on answer
Yeah.
me in the chat. Queen, you know, say girl power. Queen, then Queen, you know, you say girl. So Didi, what girl power have to do with what me I talk about? Me not understand what so Queen if I not Mr. Girl power. What does that mean? I sleep in mouth sleep, but me still assure you. If him single for 2 years, and Amari come and play with him, and me come and play with him now, all caught up is that to me, me I say, me not believe that 2 years something never done. Because somebody can, me not talk about clot help. For them I look help. And them I got DJ back some for me and I go give me attention. Oh, him call Macadam my name. You see, if him a scam me, remember when I plan for go up on live, you know, this all of this happen naturally come here. Amari a preach, you know, I read people, you know. And Miss Bling accept me, you know. So if him get the opportunity, I Miss Bling and say, yeah, several hours can go up on live and do this and do this and do that. And me a queen, I'm so sexy. Me appealing, me big and bold and beautiful. And me I tell you, say, boy, me I go blow up on your balls and all of them little something there. You're not supposed to think about nobody else right there and then. What are you slip? You miss.
I don't even know that name then. Slip my name, but I don't say our lyrics in about. As me I say, me not even know Maka. Me not even know. That's the name, man. Remember, I like funny, you know, man, and every day things the right way, you know, man.
You don't know Maka, but I call Macadam and name the first entry where me you have. So that's why me I call you back down and say. If that was just a little play something, and you can call somebody name, can you imagine if me and you there? You're gonna get blame. Am I making sense?
Yes, sir. But in a real life, you know, say me a Maka race, so eventually.
No, you're not get it, baby. Me know you're a Maka there. Me you're not there either. Me I break down things here for you understand, darling. Listen to what I'm saying to you. Me, Queenie, me up on the internet, me talk highly of myself, me talk about my self-esteem, me say because I'm married, for just certain things, it take a toll from me. So even though me with there here and talk, so now, this man I go come in here and TikTok boss and him say, I don't come. Yeah? And me sit down and say, I'm silent now. I said, him not nobody, me not pay him no mind. That made me look guilty. It's the same thing. When you have a buzz and a urge to a girl, you know, remember say you breed one woman and get 2 pitney. You know, remember say you married to Amari. You know, remember say Amari the care go Bahamas and left you. And the woman you concentrate pan. Wrong or right? So all you did you call me Macadam, man.
Yeah, I mean, I try to share some mama say I slip that slip. Mama, I bet you a pre boy yourself, Queen, because you just do
I'm not free nothing, baby. Me not, darling, Maca, me not feel no way. Yeah, me tell you same time, say, me yeah, Macadam and I forgot to threesome. I find it funny, but me I tell you as a real woman and big woman thing, if I am, say it was a real thing, I'm ready for that with you. That alone give me a question sign, darling. So whether you slip, you miss, or you slick, it still counts. You understand me?
Yeah.
A lot of man feel like say them cocky alone woman look for. You see me is a power woman. And because me is a power woman, I'm independent. Say if I want 10 perfume, me no wait for you to tell me say you want 10 perfume. So me I look for into a man's stability, caring, morals, there is things and certain things I'm look for. So the first time I hold a conversation, as me tell you, one call me one next woman name. Me not forgot that. Not no wrong, but it put up on your tad.
That's serious.
There you go.
That one is serious. But that one, you know, talking just in general and just, you know, matter of fact, you know, lyrics and music and sound alike and words, so.
Yes,
You know.
you're not alone. Comfort, caring, loving morals. Yeah. So me just assure you.
Alright, Queenie, you see what you ask her? So much things you ask her. In our relationship, that's why I'm in a relationship. Just go on, you don't know, borrow people, man. That we go on share, you know. If you don't get them full package, you know, in a woman, you know. Let's go on hold it out as a team, man.
So, you see why I'm saying I not believe when you say you're single for 2 years? Because remember, you know, Maka strong, you know. Maka, I'm a girl, you know. I love Maka. Maka all veterans, so I have the respect for Maka Diamond. So, it's either your people Maka Diamond or from Maka Diamond or do die you like her.
Ask her she know me. Ask her she know me. No, man, I don't really know her like that. Just know
so
the
why
song.
you call Maka name?
No, man, because me did think it's like you and I have a, me don't know what go down,
you
but
take
as
me
me I
for
said,
Maka?
yeah, me not really know like that. Me just hear the name and
You know,
name,
so
me not
used to
really.
him, I understand. That makes sense.
You know,
You want to reach
not really,
Ingan, I can't send for no more body Ingan. You know, so one man come and dump it. I'm a crime one. Them say lie, I tell her. No, sir. Me think him get confused with the name them. Cause Maka out there, me out there. It can't happen me in a right crazy. Cause me tell you, me don't know people, you know. One unique happen. Me don't know enough people, me mix up enough people, I don't know. Alright, it's when, alright, me I tell you something. It's when Scatter Barrel. They are cartels, Freedom Street. Mommy, you resemble. Mommy, you are resemble so like Maka. Yeah, man, I could have passed the Maka and mess with. Like I tell, I'm telling you something. Me nah run. I not take me, I take him. I not like me, I go sleep with him. But just I lift him up. Cause Amari like for use people and things that you can use people and then come back, come cuss people. I not like me, I go sleep with him. As me said to him, say if it happen, but me nah make them deal for say me, I go take several hours. Me still I go through my breakup. But listen, when I have to cry with you many times. Thank you, I cry with you lot too. Tears is natural. Me don't say something and make me slip it. But with all due respect, Raya crazies. People come in all different farm and you can't just sit and just judge somebody, sir. And him is a mile youth. And I can't judge if you tell Amar to go suck her. Scatter, thank you. Yes, when my friend show me Scatter Freedom Street, sit down on the box. She English and she don't know the something so good. And she said to me, say, I owe that. Me say, I burn a boy. Hello? Hello? Me said to him, say, I burn a boy. So that's why me can't judge several lads. She said several lads. Even, remember, you know, him I go through him like a process of them there Miss Bling live. And Miss Bling add me. Remember, me wake up and see them, you know. And him add me. And she said, Queen, remember, introduce her to several laws. So right there and then, everything I happen, him can't mistake me for Maka. But I just break it down to him and I show him, say, as a great woman, we have so much experience. Things like those I put on the table. I'm going to try work it out. Queenie, you don't give no more waste, man. You're good friend. How am I going to know say them a waste, man, baby? Tell me. Him just a laugh in him head. Yeah, so, him not for know me. Me tell the girl says, Cata Barilla, where my name? What's Stefan and my name again? Burner boy. And then I even me find out that me don't know where my name's Scatter Barrel either. Burner boy, yeah. Me don't know Scatter Barrel. I look how big Scatter Barrel. Him a big promoter, producer, this, that, him kick. Maxim kicks, King Tanks, whatever. I don't know him. A Freedom Street, me know him. Remember Scatter Barrel called me 2 years ago for give me work, you know. And when him say, me say, hello. Him say, Queenie Scatter Barrel. Me say, who name, sir? You know, see them, I look back pan